Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts. We have a ton of glitches to go over today and we have overages. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, now first up, let's go ahead and take a quick look at our insert schedule for today, which is November the 27th. We should be receiving our new December P&G inserts in today's Sunday newspapers. Alright guys, so we have a lot to get to this morning, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Of course, go ahead and clip your 5025 for Saturday. We have a one-off one for the Vicks VapoCool cough drops, the 45 count. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. And then right underneath it, we have a 75-cent off one digital coupon for the Vicks VapoCool cough drops, 18 count. Those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.25, which is a great filler item. But we do have a higher value coupon, so hold off on clipping those for now. Now, we're going to skip over a few of these because they are older coupons. You can go ahead and clip them to your account if you haven't already. I'm not sure why they weren't clipped to my account. Dollar General's just been kind of weird lately. Now, the next two Vicks coupons that you see there, those are pretty pricey products, but you can go ahead and clip them to your account if you want to. We still have this $2.25 off one digital coupon for the Dawn Power Wash. So those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. But I did want to go ahead and point out that we still have that glitch on the 5 off 2 coupon. So that is a little bit of a better value coupon, but it's up to you whether you want to clip that $2.25 off one. All right. Next up, we have another Vicks coupon. Again, pretty pricey. Those are $9.50. We have a 2 off one for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the charcoal toothbrush, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. However, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Bright and Clean toothbrushes. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So definitely clip that one to your account. We have a 2 off one for the Colgate toothpaste. This does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1. Again, it might make for a good filler item. Next up, we have a 2 off one for the Crest toothpaste. There's a lot of those that are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Crest with Scope toothpaste. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, again, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So great deal there. All right, next up we have the All and Snuggle products. Those are on sale this week for $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 1 off one for the Crest with Scope mouthwash. So if you want to pick up the 1 liter bottles, those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. But again, we do have a glitch. This is glitching and it's working on the Crest with Scope mouthwash travel size. Those are priced at $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we have some new Gain coupons. So a 1 off one for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a 1 off 2 for the Doritos. Those are on sale, 2 for $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 2. We have a 1 off 1 for the Angel Soft bath tissue. Just double check your accounts because we do have a higher value 150 off 1 digital coupon. And I'm not sure if we still have that 250 off 2. That may still be floating around there as well. So just double check your accounts before you clip this lower value coupon. All right, now here is an awesome coupon, 3 off 2 for the Vicks Vapo products. So this is working on a lot of stuff. The 18 count cough drops, again, those are priced at $2 each. So pick up 2, use the coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 2. However, this coupon is also glitching and it is working on the Vicks 20 count cough drops for $1, found in the dollar aisle. So pick up 2 of those, use this coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. So we already have $3 in overage plus a free product. 4 free products, $3 in overage. Awesome, awesome. All right, next up we have a 3 off 3 for the Pantene products. These are pretty pricey at $6 each. I just wanted to point out that we do have some higher value coupons. We have a 2 off 1 and a 5 off 2. So you may not want to clip that one to your account. Next up, we have a 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergents. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a 2 off 1 for the Mucinex, the 6 count. Those are priced at $6.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.75. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon for the Dawn dish soap. So these start out at $2.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. All right, next up, Febreze Unstoppables 2 off 1. These start out at $4 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. All right, next up, we have a 75-cent off one digital coupon for the Suave deodorant. I think this is an older coupon, so I'm not sure why it's not clipped to my account. But the majority of these are priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you'd pay $1.90. But this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 1.4-ounce women's deodorants. Those are priced at $1.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 60 cents. We have a 2 off 1 for the Colgate toothbrushes. So if you want to pick up the Max White toothbrush, those are priced at $3.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. So again, another great filler item for Saturday. All right, we have a 1 off 2 for the Huggies wipes. Those are on sale this week, 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 2. We have a $2.50 off 1 for the Palmolive dish soaps. So these are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now there is a larger, I believe it was a 70-ounce bottle, priced at $5, but I believe those are on clearance. But something to be on the lookout for. All right, we have Swiffer, we have Charmin Essentials. Those are on sale, the 12 count, for $5.50 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. All right, another Swiffer. I'm not sure why, but for whatever reason on the website, some of these double up. That doesn't necessarily mean that you have 2 of those coupons on your account. Just means that the website's a little bit wonky, okay? All right, next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Downy products. These are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Keep in mind, though, we do have a $2.50 off 1. That's a higher value coupon on the Downy Rinse and Refresh. So it just depends on what you guys want to pick up. All right, 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the garlic 60 count, those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have Nature's Bounty. There's another gain. It's just a kind of a glitch in the system there. We have this DG store coupon for save $3 when you spend $15 on Tums, Preparation H, Nexum, and Gas-X. So we'll see what we can do with that. Hopefully we have some manufacturers that we can stack with that deal. All right, 75 cents off for the Pinoline. Those are priced at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.25. There's another Doritos coupon. Again, just doubling up on the weird website. All right, next up, 1 off 2 for the Old Spice. The body washes, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $9 for 2. However, this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the travel size Old Spice deodorants. So those are priced at $1.25 each. Pick up 2. Use the coupon. You're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Again, another great filler item. All right, next up, we have 1 off 1 for the Bounty Essentials. Those are on sale this week for $5.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. We have 50 cents off for the Clover Valley granulated sugar. Those are priced at $2.65. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.15. Again, these coupons are just doubling up on my account here on the website. So we're going to skip over a few of these here and move on down. We have Aveeno, we have Puffs, we have Zarbee's, Maxwell House, and Highlands. Go ahead and clip all those to your account. The Folgers, the Kraft mac and cheese. Now, on some accounts, I had a 1 off 1 for the Kraft mac and cheese and the Velveeta mac and cheese. So, again, it just depends on how many of those you want to pick up. And, you know, if you want to use that higher value coupon first, go ahead and clip your 1 off 1. All right, 2 off 1 for the Suavitel. So those are priced at $8.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We have that Ensure coupon. Bounty, Pinoline, Cascade. Again, a lot of these are just doubling up on the website. Not sure what's going on with that. We have a 1 off 1 for the Fabuloso. These are priced at $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.25. We have 2 off 1 for the Depends and Poise products. These start out at $6. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. All right. We have some more doubling up coupons here. We've got Oral-B Floss 2 off 1. So the 75 count floss picks, those are priced at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. All right, next up, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Olay products. Now, these are pretty pricey and start out at $7 each, but this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Olay 2 count bar soaps. Those are priced at $3.25. So pick up 3, use the coupon. You're going to pay $4.75 for 3 of the 2 count Olay bar soaps. Now moving on down, we're going to skip over a couple of those. We have a 2-off-1 for the Crest toothpaste. So if you want to pick up the charcoal toothpaste, these are actually on clearance right now for $4.70. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.70. Then right beside it, we have a 1-off-3 for the Malto Meal cereals. Those are on sale, 3 for $8 this week. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 3, which is not a bad deal on those cereals. Now we're going to skip over quite a few of these, some more, repeating coupons. We do have a 25 cents off one for the Betty Crocker cake mixes. Those are on sale for $1.25, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1. Then we have 25 cents off for the Clover Valley flour. Those are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.25. We did receive quite a few new Beg and Strip coupons if you guys need some dog treats. And we're just going to continue to move on down. Again, a lot of these coupons are just doubling up on me. We do have a sale on the Pampers. We have a $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. So these are actually on sale for $10 this week. After the coupon, you're going to pay $8.50. We have DG Health Children's Ibuprofen. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 15 cents off for the Clover Valley Brown and Powdered Sugar. Those are priced at $2.35, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.20. A 1-off-1 for the Good and Smart Almond Butter. Those are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $3.50. Alright guys, now again the website was acting a little bit wonky for me this morning, and a few of the digital coupons did not show up on the website, but they did show up for me in my Dollar General app. So here is another glitch. We have a 3-off 2 digital coupon for the Head & Shoulders products. This is glitching working on the 3-ounce travel-sized bottles. Those are priced at $2 each, so after the coupon you're going to pay $1 for 2. Now, we have not had this glitch in a very, very long time, and I'm really happy to see it back, but I'm very curious how many of you out there remember the Head & Shoulders glitches from back maybe a year and a half, 2 years, 3 years ago. We were getting those glitches pretty much every other week. So let me know if you remember that down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and make sure that y'all stick around because I have the new penny list and clearance update video coming up next. So if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.